Welcome back to Legit Food Reviews. And today, due to somewhat decent demand for it, I'm reviewing penis. Yes, look at this male genitalia made out of paper. I of course couldn't get the real thing, or else I'd get like really fucked. But let's see. So, on a scale of C's, on a fic, that gets a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 on IGN, would eat again. But, until next time on Legit Food Reviews, like, subscribe, leave comments in the section down below, and subscribe to PewDiePie.